Using DNS or domain name system is an essential aspect of navigating the internet and accessing websites by their human-readable domain names. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use DNS. Step 1. Understand the basics of DNS. DNS is like the phone book of the internet. When you enter a website's domain name into your browser, the DNS translates that domain name into the corresponding IP address, which is the actual numerical address of the server hosting the website. Step 2. Choose a DNS resolver. By default, your internet service provider or ISP assigns a DNS resolver to your internet connection. However, you can choose to use a different DNS resolver if you prefer. Some popular public DNS resolvers are Google Public DNS, Cloudflare, and OpenDNS. Step 3. Access your network settings. To change your DNS resolver settings, access your network settings on your device. On Windows, go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings, right-click on your active network connection and select Properties. Then, click on Internet Protocol version or TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Steps may vary in different operating systems, so modify your options and take control of the settings section. Step 4. Change DNS resolver settings. In the network settings, you'll find a field to enter the DNS resolver addresses. Depending on your device and operating system, you might need to choose between IPv4 and IPv6 DNS settings. Enter the preferred DNS resolver addresses and save the changes. Step 5. Flush DNS cache. This step is optional. So after changing the DNS resolver, you can flush the DNS cache to ensure your device gets fresh DNS information. On Windows, open Command Prompt as an administrator and run the command ipconfig/flash DNS _. On Mac OS might be a different step and might be a different command. Step 6. Test the new DNS resolver. Once you've changed the DNS resolver, test it by visiting a website in your web browser. If the website loads as expected, your DNS settings are working correctly. Remember that DNS changes may take a little time to propagate and update across the internet, so be patient if you don't see immediate changes. You've successfully used DNS to translate domain names into IP addresses and accessed websites through your preferred DNS resolver.